Alright, hi, my name is Waylon Herring, and today I'll be teaching you guys on how to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Preferably, in my honest opinion, I would like to choose the best items in order to make it. For starters, I'd like to choose the best type of bread, which would be Nature's Own butter bread. Just in my opinion, it tastes a little bit better than the Wonder Bread and all that. As well as 100% natural, crunchy peanut butter, and my favorite, you don't have to use it, but regular grape jelly. To start off, I got my 2 pieces of bread laid out, and I got the knife for spreading. And all you want to do is you take your first slice of bread, and you get yourself a big old glob of peanut butter. The crunchy's harder to dig through, but that's okay. And you want to layer it on there, and not too thick and consistent. You just want it on there, a nice even layer all the way around. If you want more, that's fine. If not, no biggie, you can just add, you don't have to. Preferably I will just use more in the sense of it. Alright, now that that's done, you then want to take whatever jelly you decide to use, or jam, and you want to get, like I said, a nice big old scoop of that on there. And just follow the same procedures. Just smooth it out nice and evenly on each side, all the way across the bread. And then finally, all you need to do is just combine the 2 pieces of bread into one. And there you have it, peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I hope you learned something as much as I did. Enjoy.